Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. So, welcome to class 6 again. And today we are going to start from chapter number 13 constructions. This chapter belongs to geometry section, so all of you should have your geometry copy in front of you along with compass, pencil and scale. Okay? And I am your math teacher, Miss Falaknas. So let's start your work. Okay, now what we are going to do it today? What is our today's lecture's content? Look at here. This is a lecture content. Construction of triangle when three sides are given. Okay. Construction of triangle when three sides are given. What does it mean? Look at here. We are going to construct a triangle. Okay. Today we are going to construct a triangle with the help of compass. But what are the conditions there? Three sides. Okay. Three sides will be given and you are going to construct it with the help of compass but not with the help of scale. Okay. So this basically lecture belongs to exercise number 13.6 on page number 184. So all of you please open page number 184. Everyone please open page number 184 and on page number 184 there is an exercise number 13.6. Okay. Now everyone kindly write down index in geometry copy. This is your today's index, exercise number 13.6, question number 1. Everyone, write down index in your geometry copies. 13.6, question number 1. Everyone, write down index. And when you will done, so please let me know, okay? Hurry up, everyone. Then, very good. So today's index is exercise number 13.6, question number 1. I hope everyone completed now. Let's move on to the work. Now open your copy and write down exercise number 13.6 on red line along with date. Everyone kindly write down exercise number 13.6 on a red line. Please start your work from a new page and also mention the date and classwork heading on red line. Everyone. And when you will done, so please let me know, okay? Okay, after writing down the heading of exercise number 13.6, copy down question number 1 in your copy. Now, what is your question number 1? Look at here. Before copy it down, please listen to me. What is your question number 1? Triangle. Okay, this is the symbol of triangle. Triangle ABC. Okay, what is given to you here? Triangle ABC when measurement, okay, M stands for measurement of AB, means measurement of line segment AB is 8 centimeter, measurement of line segment AC is 6 centimeter, and measurement of line segment BC, which is equals to 7 centimeter. As you can see, the measurement of all the sides are given. So what you have to do, you have to construct the triangle ABC. Okay, as you can see, the measurement of all sides are given. AB is equals to 8 centimeter, AC is equals to 6 centimeter, and BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Right? Is it clear? You can see you have to construct a triangle ABC. The measurement of A to B will be 8 centimeter. AC is equals to 6 centimeter and BC is equals to 7 centimeter. You have to construct this triangle but with the help of compass. So everyone kindly copy down the question. Then we will move on to the next step. Okay, students, as you know, when you are going to construct anything, so what you have to do, you have to write what is given to you, you have to write what is required to you. Also, you have to write steps of construction. So first we are going to start with the heading of given. Now, what is given to you in this question? Can anyone please tell me what is given to you here? you are provided here with the measurement of different line segment. This is 8 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. So measurement of three different sides are given to you. So you will write it down, these measurements, under the heading of given. Okay, now first which is given to you is measurement AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Copy it down. Copy it down. Measurement AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, first this thing is given to you, which is AB 8 centimeter. Okay, do not forget to draw this small line segment over AB. As you all know, this is the symbol of line segment. Okay, AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, second thing which is given to you is measurement AC, which is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, AC is equals to 6 centimeter. Different measurements are given. Okay, and the last thing which is given to you here is measurement BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Measurement BC is equals to 7 centimeter, right? Understand? Done. Now next is what is required to you. Okay, now what do you have to do here? What is required here? Can anyone tell me what is required here? Iman Hasham, I'm not going to tell you index again. You have to wait for the end of the lecture. Okay. Now what is required to you? What do you have to do? You have to construct a triangle ABC. Okay, you have to construct a triangle ABC. So what is required to you here? First you will write down the heading of required, and then what is required here? Triangle ABC means you have to construct triangle ABC. So you will write triangle ABC is equals to question mark. Okay, triangle ABC is equals to question mark, right? Clear? So this is required. Then, so given here is measurement AB, which is equals to 8 centimeter, measurement AC, which is equals to 6 centimeter, measurement BC, which is equals to 7 centimeter, and the required here is triangle ABC, which is equals to question mark. Clear? Done? I hope everyone has completed it. Okay, so what you have to do for the construction, now we are going to start construction. So for construction, what you will draw a line segment AB is equals to 8 centimeter. AB, which is equals to 8 centimeter. Understand? Now look at here in the question what is given to you. Look at here. Next is AC. Okay, this is AC. I'm talking about this one. AC is equals to 6 centimeter. As you can see here, here the point A is present, but C point is not here. So what you will do, you will find out point C with the help of compass. So kindly ready your compass, everyone. Everyone, please ready your compass. Now, what you have to do, the measurement from A to C is 6 centimeters. So everyone, look at here. Open your compass around 6 centimeter, just like this. Everyone, open your compass around 6 centimeter. Okay, and then place the needle of the compass on point A. Place the needle of the compass on point A, and then make a small arc, just like this. Make a small arc, everyone, just like this. Okay, open कीजिए compass को around 6 centimeter and then make a small arc. Okay, when you will done, so please let me know. Everyone, draw a small arc of 6 centimeter. Done? Okay. I hope everyone has done. Okay, now look at here. In the next step, measurement BC. Again, C point is missing and you are going to find out this C point, but B point is there. So on point B, you have to make an arc of around 7 centimeter. So in the next step, what you have to do, open the compass around 7 centimeter. From here, okay, just like this. Open your compass around 7 centimeter. Everyone, open your compass around 7 centimeter. Please make sure your calculations are accurate, right? And then place this needle of the compass on point B, okay? And then draw another arc which will intersect your previous arc. It will intersect your previous arc, right? Is it clear? Please tell me. Now, what you have to do, this is your intersecting point. So you have to join this intersecting point with point A. Understand? Now, look at here. What you will do was place your scale in such a way that both points can be joined easily. Okay? Right? Now, join it just like this. Okay? Now it should be equals to what? It should be equals to AC, which is equals to 6 centimeter. As you can see, 6 centimeter lies here. So you will write the length from A to C is 6 centimeter. Everyone, please do this. Everyone, please do this. Everyone, please do this. And when you will done, so please let me know. Okay. Please make it sure this line should be equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, this line should be equals to 6 centimeter. As you can see, exact 6 centimeter. Okay, exact 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Okay, now repeat the same step by joining this point with B, and the measurement from this point to point B should be equals to 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. So I'm going to join this point with point B, just like this. Clear? Is it clear? And now it is equals to what? It is equals to 7 centimeter. So I'm going to write it down here that this is equals to centimeter. Now this point, okay, this is A, this is B, and this point will now called C. So this is the required triangle A, B, and C. Okay, this is your required triangle A, B, C. Right? Now everyone please turn on your videos and show how you have done it. Please, everyone, please turn on your videos so that I can see what you have done so far. Okay, just a minute, one by one. I'm going to check everyone's. Okay, okay, who is this? This is Naiva. Just a minute. Okay, very good, Naima. Next is Iman Sheikh. Okay, very good. Next is, who is this? Alina Salman. Okay, Iman Sheikh, right? Okay, Alina Salman, very neat and tidy work, very good. Okay, Iman Sheikh, your work is right. Okay, next is Hamna Tariq. Hamna, no, Hamna, not a neat and tidy work, beta. Why you have so many overwriting here, Hamna? What is this, beta? What is this? Please draw it again, not clear. Okay, anyone else? Where are other students? Okay, Iman Adnan. Iman, please check your measurements again. As you can see, okay, though, fine, fine. Okay, fine. Kindly check your measurements again, Iman. Okay, next is Ajwa. Okay, just a minute. One by one, Haya, I'm going to check answers. This is Ajwa's work. Very good. Okay, Abban, Mirabban. Um, okay, fine. Good. Next is Abdullah Irfan. Very good, Abdullah Irfan. Good. Okay, Umar. Sorry, Javeria Babar. One by one. Okay, Javeria Babar, your work, please. Very good. Neat. Very neat. Okay, who is this? Umar Faruqi. Uh-huh. Very good. Very good, Umar Faruqi. Okay, Hadika, your work. Hadika, no. No, wrong. Number one, arcs you have drawn is not right. There is an overwriting over the arcs, and you are not going to join it with the intersecting points. Look at here. Arcs, no. Point C. Beta, point C. Hadika, point C. Wrong. Not right, Hadika. This is your intersecting point. Okay, this is your intersecting point. So you have to join the point A with this intersecting point. This is not right. You have to draw it again, and please make a single arc. Okay. Next is Haya. Haya. Just a minute. Right. 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 Okay. Good, Haya. Okay, Yusera. Very good, Yusera. Good. Okay. Next, who is this? Ihan, I think. Okay, Ihan. Okay, good, Ihan. Okay, next is, okay, this is on Sheikh. Good. Okay, just a minute. This is on Sheikh work. Good. Okay. 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 Next is anyone else? Umar bin Salman. Umar bin Salman, where is point C? Where is point C? Raja Rizwan. Kindly write it down. Point C. Raja Rizwan. Show your work, please. Okay. Good. That's good. Aiza. Good work. Aiza, good. Okay, I think I have checked everyone's work. No one is left. Okay, Abban. I think no. Okay, Hania. I think I have checked your work, right? Okay, Hania. Good. Very good. Abdul Rafi. Okay, good. Now, everyone. Okay, how many of you are? Why you are raising your hand, beta? Who is left? Hania. I have checked your work. Okay, Hamna. I'm going to check your work again. Hamna, no. Still, you are drawing or draw the arc with the with hand by hands, right? No, Hamna. No, this type of work is will not be accepted. As you can see, arcs. You have to draw the arc with compass. Okay. So I'm not going to accept this one, Hamna. Please correct it, beta. Listen the instruction carefully and then attempt it. Okay. Now I think all of you have done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to write steps of construction. Okay. Now we are moving towards the steps of construction. So right after the heading of required. Okay. Right after the heading of required, write the heading of steps of construction. Everyone. After the heading of required, write the heading of steps of construction. Just a minute. Okay, everyone. We are going to write steps of construction. So everyone, Mir Abban, why you are so late, beta? How can I show you the steps? Where were you when I start the work? I'm just going to show you so you can check what we have done so far. Okay, Meeraban, this is for you, but not I'm not going to give you any more time, okay? Because we are running out of time. Now everyone write down the heading of steps of construction right after the heading of required. Okay, do not start steps of construction from a new page. Everyone please do not start steps of construction from new page. Right? I hope all of you have done. Please tell me, have you done? Please tell me. No? Now, step number 1 is draw measurement A, B. What is your step number 1? Draw measurement AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, first what you have done, you draw a line segment of AB which is equals to 8 centimeter. So this is point number 1. Yes, right after the heading of required Iman shape. Okay, so this is step number 1. Draw measurement AB which is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, okay. Draw measurement AB which is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, point number 2. In the next step, what you have done, AS center. Remember what we have done? First, we draw a line segment of 8 centimeter, which is called point A and point B. Okay, this is point A. And by taking A as center, okay, A as center with radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc. Remember, by taking A as center, we draw an arc. Remember? So second is A as center with radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc, right? Done. A as center with radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc. This is step number 2. Okay. Now move on to number 3. B as center. Okay, by taking B as a center point with radius 7 centimeter. You have, we open the compass around 7 centimeter and then we draw another arc, but that arc intersecting the first arc at point C. Remember, when we draw the arc on point B at point B, so it will intersect the previous arc at point C. So this is point C. Remember? So in step number 3, what we did, B as center with radius 7 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the first arc at point C. Okay. Okay. When you will done, so please let me know. Okay. Done. Just a minute. I'm taking your attendance as well. Okay, now I'm done with your attendance. So let's move on to the last step. Anybody remember what was the last step? What we did, we basically joined this point A with point C. Remember, we joined the point A with point C and point B with point C as well. Remember this step? So the last step was join A to C and B to C. Okay, this was our last step. Yes, very good, Miraban. So the last step was join A to C and B to C as well. Join A to C and B to C. This was our last step. And after that, what you get? Remember anyone? Remember? So, yes, very good. Triangle. What? Which triangle? Okay, at the end we get a triangle, but which triangle? Anyone knows which triangle? Hmm? Isosceles triangle. Yeah. So simply, what is required to you? Okay, look at here. I'm moving on to the next previous slide. Look at here. What was required to you? This triangle. Okay, this triangle ABC is the required thing. So at the end, what we will write? We will write ABC. We will write ABC is the required triangle. That's it. Okay, we will write ABC is the required triangle. Okay, now copy it down. Then, hmm? I hope everyone has done it. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to post a homework today as well. Okay, look at here. I'm trying to share your homework. Just give me a minute. Just give me a few minutes. Everyone, please hold on for a while. Everyone, look at here. This is your assignment for today. I hope everyone can see it. This is your assignment for today. Okay, and you have to attempt class number 13.2, question number 1, bit number 3. Okay, this is an example. Okay, this is an example. Please do not attempt this work in your copy. Everyone, this is an example. You have to solve bit number 3 with the help of this example, and you have to write the steps of construction as well.